Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed. The story of life is quicker than the wink of an eye. Life is too short and happiness is too rare. Don't waste your time in anger, regrets, worries, and grudges. Life is too short to be unhappy. Your life only gets better when you get better. Be bold, be courageous, be your best. The man who has confidence in himself gains the confidence of others. Every day is a good day. There is something to learn, care, and celebrate. Learning is a weightless treasure you can always carry easily. Every day, it is important to ask and answer these questions. What is good in my life? And what needs to be done? Sometimes you can't see yourself clearly until you see yourself through the eyes of others. Life gives you plenty of time to do whatever you want to do if you stay in the present moment. When we operate from a soulful, loving perspective, we are fully engaged in life. A little foolishness, enough to enjoy life, and a little wisdom to avoid the errors that will do. The art of life is to know how to enjoy a little and to endure very much. The purpose of everyone's life is to live it, try something new. Don't be afraid of a newer and richer experience. This is the real secret of life, to be completely engaged with what you are doing in the here and now. And instead of calling it work, realize it is play. If you are always racing to the next moment, what happens to the one you are in? Slow down and enjoy the moment you are in and live your life to the fullest. What you lack in talent can be made up with desire, hustle, and giving 110% all the time. You have to embrace getting older. Life is precious, and when you have lost a lot of people, you realize each day is a gift. Hope you like the content. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead. Good luck to you.